Okay. Now we're gonna do a pom-pom, right?
With your dirty hair?
Yeah, that's why
washed.
the hair's dirty.
Ooh,
It's easier to
it's
style.
very blonde.
So I'm gonna do a high ponytail first, right? How high is the bean? Should I do it?
Depends where you want it. Higher. Higher, it needs to be here. On the top of your head.
When I do my hair high, it gets all messy.
That's why you don't brush, you need to kind of get it there and then brush it. Ow.
Do you have a hairspray?
No, that's why I said not to wash the hair. Because then you can smooth it.
Yeah, I'll still need a hairspray because you know I have these little hairs that just kind of...
Well, you didn't ask me to bring hairspray.
You went very high.
Yes. And? Don't get it.
Don't do it that high.
Why?
Because it's too high.
It's not too high. You need it high, kid. Otherwise it's gonna be here like this.
Yeah, I like that, no?
Do you know what's this?
Oh! Oh, I have this brush that will make it smoother.
Yeah, please.
Where?
There. To the front. To the place that you don't like. Oh fuck. No. I just ripped the hair back.
Oh.
Don't worry guys, I have another one.
Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit. Spray.
Okay, I got it! I got the place where I want it to be. Let me check my phone. Side.
Get out some bobby pins.
Don't look. Don't look. I don't think this is good. A lot. With loads of hair.
Look at that. Lots of hair.
Don't show that to people.
What? They want to know.
No, they don't.
They do. Come on.
So now you even it. Okay.
But when
Don't move your head.
Look, she's a bit angry.
Okay, this hairband doesn't stretch as far, right? Rubbish. Okay.
What's next then?
You need to sit down.
Where?
So now, just get on your knees.
Here? Or even lower?
Just get down. Okay.
Think so?
Okay, just gonna get. No!
I like it.
That's quite cool actually.
Yeah.
No, I did behind because you had this big patch. Now the pom-pom is here. There's one line of black on another one, and I was thinking maybe to do all of your head going down like that. That's cool.
Like the whole thing black?
Like, it looks like this at the back, and I think that's a cool hairstyle nobody's ever done. It looks like black line is here, 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 here.
No.
Do you know what I mean? Nobody's had that before.
Yeah.
Like this, right? Put one here. Then really like this, and then fold back and do sideways.
That looks like a shell.
Yeah.
Quite nice.
Okay.
It has to be a pom-pom.
Huh?
It has to be a pom-pom because both of us are doing a pom-pom today.
Wait. That is pom-pom, just sideways pom-pom.
Yeah.
Can't get it
Here's
out
my
now.
pom-pom. Cute. I need earrings.
Don't have earrings.
Maybe. I should look around. Maybe I'm gonna find some.
What are you doing?
Meanwhile, Sabine has managed to finish her hairstyle. Why everything is black?
What? Really there? I haven't finished mine.
Wait, I'm gonna
Okay, is that?
keep putting bobby pins in, but it looks good.
No, it looks weird, right?
Yeah.
It's unusual. I think that's good.
I like it from the side. Yeah. Put bobby pins in.
This side is
The same. Yeah.
not really. But
It is.